Mga higala, kumusta? Nakabalik na punta ni ato ang program panglantaw sa kagabhion. Tungod kay gabi, wala ta maka-live. Umikan kay kininyo igsoon dito mi sa Dao, Pagadian City. Nakiselebrate mi. Nagtanaw mi sa mga performance sa nagkalain-laing mga municipalities nga ning appeal sa kaning singala ato ilahang contest sa sayo, no? cultural dance sa tibuok Zamboanga del Sur sa pagsaulog sa 73rd araw ng Zamboanga del Sur. So gabi nakauli mi gabi na kay mga alas 12 na tingal to sa gabi or alauna. So wala na gid tay kahigayunan nga maka pahigayon pa ni ato ang tulumanon panglantaw sa kagabion. Kung wala na lang ta naka-live gabi. Sa dili pa nato sugdan ang ato ang program, ato ang topic or pagkukabildo mga igsoon, ato sang i-shout out ang ato ang likers. Atay duha ka likers gabi, no? Si Pastor Yung Munlyon Makig-angay Jr. o si Bimbin Mandig o si Pastor Yung Munlyon Makig-angay Jr. Pastor na to diha sa Sayog Christian Fellowship. So daghang salamat sa inyong pag-support, no, sa tanang nagtan-aw ug naminaw ani ato ang program matagabi panglantaw sa gabhion. Salamat kay sa inyong pag-support sa ato ang program. So mga higala, every headline we see is not just a report of facts. It is a reflection of the battles within our nation's heart. Recently, a statement made waves. Nagsakripisyo si Speaker Romualdez para sa bansa. Yan ang sinabi ni Representative Conggon, no? Congressman Conggon. Kaya nag-resign man gud si Speaker Romualdez, no? But what does sacrifice mean in politics? And more importantly, unsa man gyud ang tinuod nga sakripisyo nga makahatag og kayuhan sa atong nasod? Sacrifice, mga igsoon, is not about giving up a position for the sake of prestige. It is about laying down one's own comfort, power, or ambition for the greater good of the people. Jesus himself said in John chapter 15 verse 13, "Greater love has no one than this, to lay down one's life for one's friends." But in governance, laying down one's life does not mean dying. It means dying to selflessness, dying to greed, and dying to corruption. When Representative Conggon said that Speaker Romualdez sacrificed for the nation, it begs us to ask, is this sacrifice symbolic, political, or genuine? For too long, the Filipino people have been accustomed to hearing words of sacrificio from leaders, but seeing little evidence of it in reality. True sacrifice means roads repaired, classrooms built, jobs created, and justice upheld. True sacrifice is when leaders cut their own privileges to fund health, education, and housing. True sacrifice is when politicians step aside from personal ambition for the stability of governance. Sa atong nasod, daghan ang nagpakitag sakripisyo pero sa tinuod pamulitika lang. But let us also be fair. Sometimes stepping down, choosing silence or avoiding conflict in government may indeed be an act of sacrifice to preserve stability. Whether this is the case with Speaker Romualdez, history will be the judge. Legally, the Constitution of the Philippines provides checks and balances. Ang Kongreso ug ang Senado dili angay mahimong entablado sa personal nga ambisyon, kundi venue sa pagsulbad sa krisis ug pagdala sa balaod nga makaayo sa katawhan. Article 11 of the Constitution reminds us, public office is a public trust. Trust means integrity, transparency, and accountability. And so mga higala, we return to the heart of the matter. If indeed Speaker Romualdez has made a sacrifice, then let that sacrifice bear fruit. Let it not be empty symbolism, but a genuine turning point where leadership shifts from self to service. O para nato nga katawhan, let us not be blinded by statements alone. Let us measure sacrifice not by words, but by results. If the poor are lifted, if the classrooms are built, if the potholes are repaired, if the corruption is reduced, that is the measure of true sacrifice. As Proverbs chapter 29 verse 2 declares, when the righteous are in authority, the people rejoice. But when the wicked beareth rule, the people mourn. So tonight, I leave you with this challenge. Let us not settle for empty claims of sacrifice. Let us demand genuine service. Because true leadership is not about what is given up in politics. It is about what is given back to the people. This is panglantaw sa kagabhion, a call to remember that sacrifice without service is just drama, but sacrifice with action is the foundation of a nation's hope. Kini ang panglantaw sa kagabhion diin ang kahayag na gadanay bisan pa sa kanitni. Ininyong igsuon higala ug alagad Jeremias Labaw Tubigon magaingon nga sa atong pagpangandoy ug matarong nga katilingban ang kamatuoran gayud ang atong suga ug sa kangitngit sa kasaysayan ang tinud-anay nga pamunuan ang labing hayag nga paglaom. Daghang kayong salamat sa inyong pagtanaw ug pagpaminaw. Shout out Mary Claire Gaking Hermias, mayong gabi kanimo diha ma'am. Ang Dios magapanalangin ug magapanalangin kanatong tanan. Maayong gabi.